Diykids. Today we're making an adorable mini broom that's super easy and fun. Let's get started. The materials you will need are pencil, scissors, glue, a paper in these measurements, another paper in these measurements, and something to decorate with. Step 1. Fold the paper, draw a broom and cut it out. Step 2. We will glue both sides together and cut it out. Step 3. Roll the paper and glue it up. Step 4. Glue the broom and the stick together. Step 5. We will cut a small piece of paper and stick it on the top of the broom. And there you have it, a cute little paper broom, all ready to sweep in some fun. If you enjoyed this craft, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you next time!